Welcome to the James Fun Lab.
Hello, today I'm going to conduct an experiment on how temperature affects the appearance and speed of liquids. I have face cream, water, ghee, olive oil, strawberry ice cream, ketchup, and finally hand sanitizer. I have a notepad here. I'm going to note down how fast each liquid goes on this ramp. And I have stopwatch here that will track how many seconds it will take for the liquid to go down. Time. It took about less than a second, so about 56 milliseconds. The first one I did was water, and it took 56 milliseconds for it to go down this ramp. Next, I'm going to do olive oil. It took 1 second and 80 milliseconds for oil. Next, I'm going to do ketchup. It took about 22 seconds for ketchup. Next, I'm going to do sanitizer. Slowly it's making its way down. 33 seconds and 31 milliseconds. 33.71. Now I'm going to do face cream. It's probably the one that will take the most time. More. I think we're about to take 1 minute. Now the next one that I'm going to do is ghee. I'm gonna roughly end it here because I'm not sure if this is ever going to get to the end. So I'm going to just say maybe 5 minutes, roughly saying. Now time for the last one, which is ice cream. As you can see, the ice cream is it depends on the ice cream's if it's melted or not. It's hot or cold, because right now when the ice cream's just normal, it's not moving at all as well. So roughly saying 5 minutes maybe. So this was done at room temperature. And the one that went fastest was water, which took 56 milliseconds. And the two of them that went the slowest was ghee and ice cream, because they did not move at all. So I'd roughly say the same experiment with all the same items at high temperature. So now I'm going to do the same experiment with hot water, which is here. Now these all have been in hot water for 5 minutes. I was surprised to see the behavior of some of these fluids when they were heated, and the difference between when they were normal and heated was immense for some of them. For instance, ghee, it was once 5 minutes, now it's only 4 seconds for it to get down from this ramp. And also for ketchup, it increased as well. It was 22 seconds, now it became 30 seconds. A lot of them also did not change, like water, which was 56 seconds. Now it's 55. They only changed by 1 millisecond. Ghee, sanitizer, and ice cream were the most surprising, as when they were at room temperature, they were so extremely thick. Now, when you just heat them, they go like so fast, very fast. The difference was immense. Project was presented at my school, and I got an award for it. You can be next.